Are you on the hunt for hassle-free cooking without an oven or a traditional stovetop? The best portable induction cooktop can provide a reliable and energy-efficient means for preparing cooked food, whether for home use or RV living. We've researched and discovered 11 top-rated portable induction cooktop, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 11 best portable induction cooktop, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1. Duxtop 8100 MC Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner and Stainless Steel Induction Cookware Set. If you are seeking a lightweight cooktop, look no further. This is by far the best Dux Portable Induction Cooktop. It will make a perfect addition to your kitchen or RV. Its digital control panel makes it very easy to use. You can rely on its built-in digital timer when cooking dishes with time requirements. The Duxtop 8100 MC Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner and Stainless Steel Induction Cookware Set can be adjusted from a minute up to 170 minutes. There's no need for you to worry about accidentally burning your kitchen. This cooktop will automatically shut down within a minute if no cookware is detected. Cooking is made better with this cooktop because you can adjust its temperature from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very energy efficient. It can detect the actual size of a cookware base and adjust automatically to make sure that not much energy is wasted. This product works well with several kinds of cookware made from cast iron to stainless steel. Cleaning should not be a problem either. You can simply wipe it with a damp cloth after cooling. Coming in at number 2, Secura 9100 MC 1800 Watt Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. For someone who truly enjoys cooking, this is the best portable induction cooktop. You will not be disappointed with its 15 power levels, ranging from 200 to 1800 watts. It has a digital control panel that makes it very easy to use, even for beginners. Its timer will help you avoid overcooking or undercooking your dishes. The Secura 9100 MC 1800 Watt Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner was built following the North American Electrical Standards and is ETL approved to guarantee safety. If something goes wrong, its auto pan detection will immediately display an error message. With this cooktop, you can use a wide array of cookware materials. You can use aluminum enameled steel and iron, cast iron, stainless steel with a magnetic bottom, and more. And because it is very compact and lightweight, handling and storage are made simpler than ever. Coming in at number 3. Empava 36-inch Induction Cooktop Electric Stove with Black Vitro Ceramic Smooth Surface Glass. Empava items offer excellent contemporary designs to match with the newest technologies, making your cooking and dining experiences easier and better. This best induction burner has the power of induction, plus the easy cleaning of electric, allowing you to enjoy cooking flexibility. This is 70% more energy efficient than other types of cooktops. Its surface is made up of a smooth tempered glass, allowing for an easy cleanup. It's free from hazardous metals. No need to worry about accidentally burning your hands. The Empava 36-inch Induction Cooktop Electric Stove with Black Vitro Ceramic Smooth Surface Glass has an indicator that will display the letter H if the surface is still too hot to touch. You can choose from its 9 heat level settings, perfect for nearly all kinds of cooking techniques, melting, rapid boiling, and more. This product can be used with cast iron and stainless steel cookware. Looking to learn more about the best portable induction cooktop in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4. Double Induction Cooktop by Cuisinart. Induction technology is known for fast and even distribution of heat while cooking. You are guaranteed that there will be no single hot spots and that your food will cook perfectly. But what sets this product apart from other brands is its double burner. This is the best double burner induction cooktop to use, especially if you are cooking for a family or guests. You'll be impressed with its dual heat settings. The left and the right burners have 8 and 5 settings, respectively. Both burners have their own timers, which can be set to a maximum of 150 minutes and power switches. The Double Induction Cooktop by Cuisinart is very convenient to use as it releases just the right amount of heat, allowing your kitchen to stay cool while cooking. Safety is guaranteed. The heat will turn off in as fast as 30 seconds once the cookware is removed. Its smooth glass surface is very chic and easy to clean. Its portable size can suit just about any kind of kitchen. This powerful and stylish cooktop is surely a great buy. Coming in at number 5. Copper Chef Induction Cooktop. If you are looking for a single pan that can give you easy and versatility when cooking with a non-stick cookware, you're looking at the right product. This best commercial induction burner goes beyond your expectations. Copper Chef, unlike other cooktops, has a square shape that allows you to fit in more food. This makes it simpler and more efficient, especially if you are cooking for a large group of people all at once. It is equipped with a precise timer and a temperature controller, which can be adjusted from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Copper Chef Induction Cooktop is also suitable for beginners, as it has 5 cooking presets. You can choose to do warming or searing, and everything else in between. Its display screen shows large prints, which are very easy to read, and is helpful for the elderly. This product is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PTFE. Its ceramic tech coating makes the cooking of sticky meals easy, and it cleans up well with just a single wipe. Coming in at number 6, Duxtop LCD 1800 watt portable induction cooktop countertop burner 9600 LS. Does your kid like going to the kitchen all the time, especially when you are cooking? Do you fear that he or she might get tangled with a hot cooktop? Don't worry, this Duxtop cooktop has a built-in safety lock system for kids. Its burner will only be activated if you'll press and hold the safety lock key for about 3 seconds. Amazing, isn't it? For this reason alone, it can be considered the best Cuisinart portable induction cooktop. This induction cookware makes use of 120 volts, 15 amps of electricity, which is standard to all homes. Its digital LCD sensor and touch control panel makes it very stylish and easy to operate. If you need to cook something for a long period of time, you can set its digital timer for 1 minute to 10 hours. This allows you to do other chores while safely cooking. Its temperature ranges from 100 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the Duxtop LCD 1800 watt portable induction cooktop countertop burner 9600 LS for the right cookware materials like cast iron, stainless steel with a magnet on its base, and aluminum enameled steel and iron for efficiency. Coming in at number 7, Inducto Dual Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. Who's looking for a large glass top cookware? If you are, then this is a must-buy for you. It measures 26 inches wide, 15 1/4 inches deep, and 3 1/4 inches tall. Its average diameter is 8 inches. Its dual burners are perfect for big-sized pots and pans made from steel, iron, and others with a magnetic bottom. Though huge in size, it can fit safely on your kitchen tops because of its rubber feet. You can do several cooking techniques like boiling, frying, sautéing, simmering, searing, barbecuing, and more without worrying that it might fall or malfunction. Both surfaces have their own temperature control with 8 wonderful settings and 7 cooking modes to help beginners. It works at 120 volts and temperature ranges from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The Inducto Dual Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner is very safe to use, even in an enclosed kitchen, as it does not use flame or heat coils. It cools down quickly after the removal of a cookware. It uses as much as 90% less energy as compared to the usual electric and gas stove. Coming in at number 8, Evergreen Home 1800 watt Double Digital Induction Cooktop. This dual induction cooktop from Evergreen Home is perfect for big or busy families, even those in mobile or RV living who require cooking of food faster within a short period of time. The Evergreen Home 1800 Double Digital Induction Cooktop is different from others because of its crystal plate. You'll see no gaps around edges, hence making it easy to clean. There's no plastic edging, avoiding damages from hot pots and pans. You can choose from 15 various levels of temperature to suit your cooking needs. Available temperatures include 140, 180, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This brand can be used long-term. Even the makings on its sensor touch control do not fade. If you want to test your cookware, use the magnet that's in the package. If it sticks to the cookware, then you are sure that it can be safely used on this cooktop. Never use other materials that do not pass this test, because it may cause damage. Coming in at number 9, Multifunction Portable 1800 Watt Induction Cooker Cooktop by Gourmia. Enjoy precise cooking within just a single push of a button. The Multifunction Portable 1800 Watt Induction Cooker Cooktop by Gourmia has 8 temperature settings, ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. It cooks using 8 power levels from 200 to 1800 watts. You can easily set the timer to a maximum of 180 minutes, which can automatically shut down. This energy-efficient product uses as much as 90% less energy as compared to other traditional stoves. It has an overheat sensor for additional safety. You'll surely gain from this purchase, as it can be used for a very long time. Cleaning is easy and spills won't burn the surface. It readily cools down after cooking. To enjoy great performance, use only with induction-ready pots and pans. Coming in at number 10, Portable Induction Pro Cooktop 1800 Watt by Fagor. The Portable Induction Pro Cooktop 1800 Watt by Fagor is very powerful and versatile. What makes it different from other induction burners are its 8 user-friendly buttons that can easily be set for any particular cooking technique. These preset temperatures include simmering, warming, boiling, rapid boiling, sautéing, searing, stir-frying, and browning. These give you the exact temperature needed to cook your dishes perfectly. If you want to set your own temperature, you can choose from 140 to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital display will show you the precise cooking temperature, and it can be adjusted in 10-degree increments. Despite using less energy, it can heat up easily and cook faster as compared to other stoves. This will certainly help you save time and money. It has a built-in timer that can be set from 1 minute to 180 minutes. Its glass surface is heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about a possible breakage. Coming in at number 11, Portable Electric Induction Cooktop with Rapid Heating by Cosmo. This is by far the best induction cooktop for an RV. It's an energy-efficient solution for your recreation vehicle, much like a tankless water is for an RV, and saves you money in terms of energy saving. Portable Electric Induction Cooktop with Rapid Heating by Cosmo is perfect for trips because of its lightweight and compact design. Can you think of any other portable induction cooktop that only weighs 6 pounds? This means you can store it away when you are not using it, and easily set it up during meal prep time. It works fast because of its high-powered burner. With this cooktop, you can boil water in as fast as 50 seconds. You can enjoy 9 power levels from 200 watts to 1800 watts, and 10 temperature settings ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 464 degrees Fahrenheit with this small cooktop. Even though it's portable, you can be assured of your safety, especially around your children. It has a child safety lock feature. It will turn off automatically after a minute if not being used. It cools down fast and avoids overheating. Its timer can run from 5 minutes to 3 hours, allowing you to cook your dishes perfectly without watching it all the time. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite portable induction cooktop. Click on the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now, for the Freshness.com portable induction cooktop to avoid. Dual 120-volt electric induction cooker. Though this product features dual heating zones and a good touch control, the bottom of this cooker is not well depicted in its advertising photos. You might just want to avoid this portable induction cooktop. Half of it has unfinished metal with vents and rivets. Its glass top has felt padding on its edges and on the underside. It seems as though the dual 120-volt electric induction cooker needs to be inserted in a counter and is not suitable to sit on a countertop. So this makes it a poor choice for an RV of mobile cooking situation. Some users would prefer to keep their stoves plugged in without causing any trouble. The burners of this cooktop have red lights continuously blinking when not being used. It won't go away unless you unplug it. While this is just fine, some may find this a waste of time and a hassle. This could just be the worst induction burner on the market today. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best portable induction cooker. Dreaming about getting a good burner that can help you prepare dishes like a pro? No need to worry. With the choices listed above, you'll surely start serving delicious meals to your family and friends in no time. Read on these best portable induction cooktop reviews to avoid wasting time and money. Looking to learn more about the best portable induction cooktop in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite portable induction cooktop. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.